Hello, welcome to some channel for mathematics today. And today too we have a wonderful topic to present. This is calculus. This is calculus, differential calculus. So we're doing differentiation today. Differentiation. This is a very powerful thing in mathematics. Differentiation is used by engineers. It is used to do most things that we can see around us. So here we are saying using y is equal to s to the power n. Y is equal to s to the power n, where d dx means differentiation with respect to s. So d dx means differentiation but with respect to s. So when you find somewhere that you're having d dt, it means you're differentiating with respect to t. If you see d dk, we are differentiating with respect to k. So I hope you understand for now. Then dds, which means you are differentiating dds, you are differentiating with respect to s. The y, which is an equation here, is equal to this. So that is how it is done. So the differentiation of this gives us this. So why are we saying that? Whenever we are differentiating, we multiply. So when dds is written, it means we are differentiating, right? So it means we are going to multiply the power by this whole term over here. So this power is going to multiply this term over here. So this whole thing is going to be multiplied by n. So it is this 1 times n. So after multiplying this by n, we subtract 1 from the exponent. So that is how it is done. We always make sure we multiply the term here by the power, or any term over there by the power, and we subtract the power or the exponent 1 from it. We subtract 1 from the power or the exponent. So we are having a wonderful question over here after this explanation. So dy dx, because d multiplying this gives us dy. So dy dx, meaning differentiation of this y, is giving us, after multiplying n by x, we are getting nx to the power n, but I told you we do subtract 1 from the exponent. In our next videos, we will be showing how it is proved, how we came by this formula. Alright, so we're having one example over here to try our hands on. Find the differentiation of s to the power 5, that is y is equal to s to the power 5. So we are going to go through this together. First, we make sure that we rewrite the question as I always entreat my viewers to do. We rewrite the question, and after rewriting the question, we are told to differentiate. So differentiation is shortened by using d ds or d dt or d dk, meaning what we are differentiating with respect to. Here in the question we are having x, so we will be differentiating with respect to s. So what are we going to use? D dx. So we say this implies that d dx, meaning we have started our differentiation of this y here, is going to give us, so meaning that as we have started differentiating, this power here is going to multiply this whole term, and we subtract 1 from the power as the formula implied over here. So we will multiply the whole term here by 5. So we are going to have 5x to the power 5 here. So we do subtract 1 from the exponent, so minus 1. Then we finally get dy, because d times y here is giving us dy over ds. So dy dx here is equal to 5x exponent 4. So finally here becomes a differential of this y. So it is very simple. We will go through numerous examples, so you must take note of this formula. It is very important when it comes to differentiation, and it is very useful. In our subsequent examples, we will work more on this, and I hope you do understand. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe, you comment, you share. Visit this channel always to watch our videos. Thank you. Alright viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos from this channel. Bye.